Welcome to Bird Pickup and Delivery. In this video, I'm excited to show you how the Bird Pickup and Delivery Checkout Extension works with Shopify Plus. We'll start inside the Bird Pickup Delivery dashboard, and in the card that says Checkout widget, click Customize Checkout. This is the Checkout Editor page. Click Add Block and select the Bird Pickup and Delivery Checkout Extension. You can place the widget wherever it fits best in your checkout layout. Now let's move to the checkout page and see how this works in real time. First, I'll add my address, which defaults to the shipping rates I've configured. This zip code is in my local delivery zone, so let me select a date and time. You can see the standard local delivery rate is showing up here. I also have condition-based rates configured, so let me walk you through each one. Let me select a weekend date and a time slot. The weekend delivery rate is automatically applied. Now let me pick a different date, the 25th of February, and choose the midnight slot. And there it is. The midnight delivery rate is attached automatically. Let me also show you a special date I've configured, Mother's Day delivery. Once I select that date and time, the Mother's Day delivery rate is applied instantly. This is triggered by a date range condition, in this case between May 8th and May 10th. So that covers local delivery. Now let me change the zip code to a non-local delivery zip code. I'll use a New York zip code, and since I ship across New York and New Jersey, it falls back to standard shipping. I also have an express shipping option. If I select the immediate next day, the express rate appears automatically. So you can configure rates for both local delivery and standard shipping with as many conditions as you need. All of these rates are fully supported inside the checkout widget. Now let me show you how pickup works. I'll click the pickup option. The pickup location is added automatically, and now I'll select a date. Since I only offer pickup on Saturdays and Sundays, only those dates are selectable in the calendar. Let me pick March 8th and choose a time slot. If I place the order now, this pickup date and time will be saved directly to the order details. There's one more feature I want to show you before we wrap up. Let me go to the delivery rates section first. These are the same rates I walked you through earlier. If I click into Add Rate, you can see you can add rates based on different conditions. If we scroll down, you'll see a setting called Manage Visibility. Right now, there are three options. All qualifying rates are visible, minimum rate is visible, or maximum rate is visible. I have it set to maximum rate is visible. This means if two or more rates match the current conditions, only the higher priced one will show. Let me give you an example using the weekend rate and the midnight rate. If I select a midnight time slot on a non-weekend day, the midnight delivery rate applies. But if I select a Saturday with a regular time slot, like 12 p.m. to 2 p.m., the weekend delivery rate shows up at $25. Now here's where it gets interesting. If I select a Saturday with the midnight slot, both rates technically qualify. But since the midnight rate is higher than the weekend rate, only the midnight rate is shown. Once the order is placed, the selected pickup or delivery date is automatically saved on the Shopify order. And that's it for this demo. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel for more bird pickup and delivery tutorials. See you in the next video.